In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple account password in case you have forgotten it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go to the settings app on our phone. Then we're gonna tap on our name, which is going to be the first thing you're gonna see at the top. Once you're here, you will select sign in and security. And then under security, you will select change password. As you can see here, we can create a brand new password without having to input our old password. But you do need to have an iPhone that has the Face ID feature activated so your phone can make sure it's actually you who's trying to change the password. So we're gonna go ahead and type in our new password. And once you're done, go ahead and tap on continue. And now you will have a new password for your Apple account. Hope that helps.